Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Kia Sportage Sunroof Easy Guide. Start by unlocking the vehicle and clearing any debris from the sunroof track, then operate the switch while watching for binding or hesitation. Inspect the rubber seals for gaps and measure drainage tubes for clogs. If the motor clicks but does not move, check the fuse and wiring connections before removing the motor assembly for further testing. When maintaining your sunroof, focus on the seals and drainage system to stop leaks and jams. Gently clean rubber seals with a mild cleaner, then apply a silicone protectant to keep them pliable. Locate the drainage tubes at each corner and use low-pressure compressed air or a flexible wire to remove blockages, testing drainage by pouring a small amount of water into the channel and watching it exit below the vehicle. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps support more useful content. Quick recommendation. There's a book I keep on hand, dollar banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, which makes waiting on parts feel productive and oddly calming. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the sunroof moves slowly or not at all, investigate the motor and electrical system with care. First, check voltage at the motor connector, while a helper operates the switch to confirm power. Tighten loose motor bolts and clean connector contacts if corroded. If power is present but the motor hums without moving, the gears may be stripped and the motor will need replacement, which can be done with basic tools and patience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.